श्री गुरु तेग बहादुर साहिब के 350वें शहीदी दिवस को समर्पित पंजाब सरकार की श्रद्धा और सत्कार से भरपूर पहल। पंजाब के 23 जिलों में गुरु साहिब के जीवन और बलिदान को दर्शाते लाइट एंड साउंड शो। श्रीनगर, गुरदासपुर, फरीदकोट और तख्त श्री दमदमा साहिब, तलवंडी साबो से अनंतपुर साहिब तक 4 महान नगर कीर्तन तथा 23, 24 और 25 नवम्बर को अनंतपुर साहिब में होने वाले भव्य समागमों में मुख्यमंत्री सरदार भगवंत सिंह जी मान की ओर से सभी को नतमस्तक होने का हार्दिक अनुरोध। आइए अपनी अटूट श्रद्धा और सत्कार के साथ इन समागमों का हिस्सा बने।
Definitely, it's a very historic decision for all of us that Vidhan Sabha itself, the whole government has come to pay homage to Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib in the holy city of Anandpur Sahib, and we all are blessed to do this, and a very landmark decision has been taken by today's special session, in which three sacred places of Shri Amritsar Sahib Golden Temple, Shri Anandpur Sahib and Talwandi Sabo Tak Damdama Sahib, they have been declared as holy cities, wherein in the surrounding areas no kind of liquor or non-veg will be served.
The BJP-led government has been testing the waters of Punjab, be it the Punjab University issue or be the act that has been recently, and even a clarification has come from the central government regarding this.
See, this is very unfortunate. BJP, instead of respecting federal structure, they are trying to pinch Punjab time and again. They are trying to arm twist Punjab time and again. And with folded hands, I would like to request them that please don't test waters. Please don't pinch us time and again. Punjab has already given replies to them multiple times. So please don't do that. Punjab is a very sensitive state. If they try to do that, we will give a very befitting reply to them.
Sir, sad news is coming from the Bollywood fraternity.
Sorry?
Sad news is coming from the Bollywood fraternity. Dharmendra ji just
Yes. It's a very unfortunate that pride of Punjab, pride of the nation and pride of Indian cinema, Dharmendra ji, he is no more with us. He belonged to Punjab, and I think that's a big loss to all of us.
Thank you so much. So this was Senior Leader Aman Arora, who said that there have been the development that has taken, the big announcement that have been made by the Aam Aadmi Party government today, and about that it was a very special session, and the announcements of making 3 cities, declaring them the holy cities, has come forward, and they are looking forward to give people many more such gifts in the coming year. With Bunny, this is Pavit Kaur for the Savera.